So I made this video 3 days ago, and the 18 people that took my advice are absolutely crushing it. The strategy is super simple. There are two types of smiley faces, right side up and upside down. You get on a 30-minute chart. Once it prints, you enter your trade, stop loss 2 ticks above the candle with a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio. Plus 2%, 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 minus 1%, currently active trade. And if you wanted a swing trade, this one would have gotten you a 1 to 29. Yes, it's a paid indicator, but it is absolutely phenomenal. If you were to purchase access to get this, you would also get 7 other indicators, a downloadable risk calculator file for MetaTrader. It automatically calculates your position sizes. Every single piece of day trading knowledge that exists on the internet is all in one educational platform where you can learn absolutely everything from A to Z in a systematic step-by-step way, like a syllabus, or you might call it a guide. Almost daily live streams from professional traders actually live trading on the markets, almost daily Q&A sessions with me, and we give you trade ideas that you can actually execute to get into the markets before you know everything. We call it our Earn As You Learn program, and access to a private Discord community with thousands of active traders. Now, because it's Black Friday, and I think these tools are super useful for you to have, if you get our yearly package, which is normally $220, it's now 50% off until next Monday, Cyber Monday. 50% of $220 is $110. And if you don't ever cancel your subscription, you can keep that price for life. And you can use this indicator right here forever and have some pretty stellar results from your trading. Or if you're a great professional trader, I don't know why you're watching this video, but just keep doing what you're doing. If you're struggling, I would suggest trying this out.